In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone if it's lagging. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing that you want to do is firstly head on over to your app store. On the top right, click your profile, and then just go down and update all your apps. You can just press update all, and then all of your applications are going to start updating just to make sure that everything is running smoothly and as it should. Next thing you want to do is go over to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down until you find general. From here, just scroll down again until you find background app refresh, and make sure that this is off. This, if it is on, will basically make it so that apps can just keep refreshing in the background, which is going to slow your phone down. The next thing that you would want to do is go over to battery. Make sure that low power mode is on, because when it is on, it basically reduces activity, but also just makes your phone run a lot slower as well. In my opinion, like, the refresh rate also goes down and everything, and I just don't like having it on. But you might want to try it yourself. It obviously does help with your battery life, but I don't like having it on too much, especially when I don't need it. The next thing that I want to do is head on over to accessibility. Then once you're in accessibility, you're going to see vision. And then all you want to do is go over to motion right there. Right now I have reduced motion turned off, but if you have it on, you might want to try and turn it off and see if that works as well. And also at the very bottom, you're going to see limit frame rate. So if you limit the frame rate, it's going to be capped at 60 FPS, which is 60 Hertz. So you want to have this off so that it's at 120 Hertz and 120 frames per second. And the final thing that you want to do is go back to your settings application. And then once you're here, all you want to do is go to general right there, and then click on software update, and make sure that your phone has the latest update. And if it doesn't, just update it whenever you're available to, and then your phone will run as smooth as it should.